They're gonna keep falling. There's a lot that never got changed yet. No going out. You know you can't. You're just running off. You're not supposed to be doing that. There's something wrong with my bridge battle. You're not supposed to. That's because it's not on level ground. This is on carpet, and it's supposed to be on hard surface. Oh, that rain's the winner. Yellow, finally. The pink? This was extremely fast. There's the other two that are almost dead. Well, not this one, I'm sure. Actually, yes it is. Yep, they're complete. These three are completely dead, and they're all motion series. Whoa, look at that one. That one is just changed, and it's dead now. There's 4 dead. Because this gravity blew. Ha 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 ha. The sky blue? No way.